In a highly competitive world and in an ever-changing economy, one company has remained consistent and competitive. Kempston, situated in East London and established in 1973 and has since attributed its name to its founding roots, Kempston Road, where it all started with only 11 vehicles. Since then, Kempston has grown to become one of South Africa's largest privately owned companies, with its main business in fleet rental. Kempston Truck Hire. The foundation block of the group, Kempston Truck Hire is one of the longest standing operators in the vehicle rental industry. Our large fleet, operating out of 8 branches countrywide, offers flexible vehicle hire solutions ranging from 24 hours to 24 months to meet our clients' diverse transport requirements. Kempston Truck Hire's fleet includes a full range of vehicles, including passenger, 1-ton buckies to 8-tonners and 22-seater buses, 3 to 8-ton trucks, including curtain-side, enclosed, drop-side, tail lift, fridge, truck tractors and trailers with a focus on availability to meet any client's operating needs. Kempston Logistics. As market leaders in load brokering of bulk freight, Kempston Logistics offers the market a service by utilizing transporters. We offer return loads by offering the empty space in these vehicles, allowing us to service any route in South Africa. Vehicle leasing. Kempston Leasing offers an alternative to ownership. We spec vehicles to any client specifications, from security buckies with all the add-ons, to gas carriers with all the dangerous goods compliance, to large and small refrigeration trucks. We are well positioned to run your fleet. Kempston offers full maintenance leasing on all light and medium commercial vehicles. Kempston Group operates workshops countrywide with technicians 24/7 on standby, which provides professional mechanical and vehicle refurbishing services. Class. Kempston Agri has since secured its competitive position in Africa with their importing partner Class in the ever-growing agricultural machinery market. Kempston Agri's complete product range comprises of combine harvesters, tractors, forage harvesting machinery, telehandlers, and a large range of parts. Kempston Material Handling, Clark. Kempston is pleased to represent Clark Material Handling Equipment. Clark invented the forklift in 1917 and, with an ethos of built to last, offers equipment that is robust and up to the demands of the Southern African market. Stara. Anticipating the needs of our customers, Kempston Material Handling has also partnered with Brazilian-based company Stara, which generates technology aimed at increasing productivity and profit. With a wide range of products such as the Hercules 15000, Twister 5500, and Imperador 3.0, to mention but a few. AgriSem. Leaders in design, manufacture and sales, French-based company AgriSem International offers 3 main product lines: plow, mulch, and SEM, seedbed preparation ranging from cultivators, soil looseners, and power harrows, servicing any requirements needed. Kempston Employment Solutions. By outsourcing legally compliant staff, Kempston creates jobs, giving people opportunities to develop their skills. Kempston Properties. Kempston has acquired over 100 commercial, industrial and farming properties around South Africa, which are either let commercially or used for group activities. Having recently undergone refurbishment, the iconic Ponty City building, in the heart of Johannesburg's central business district, was acquired by the Kempston Group in the mid-1990s. Kempston Truck Stop. Meeting the needs of long-distance transporters nationally, Kempston Truck Stop is the ideal one-stop solution for transporters' requirements for their trucks, loads and drivers, including competitive diesel prices, overnight parking, catering, hygiene facilities and safe parking areas. Kempston Recruitment. Our recruitment division provides a professional national service and prides itself on sourcing the best caliber candidates possible to meet their clients' needs. Kempston Finance. The Kempston Finance Division specializes in financing of capital equipment and makes short-term credit available to municipal employees in the Eastern Cape. Kempston Driver Academy. Born out of a desire to address the critical shortage of skilled drivers, the Driver Training Academy offers TETA-accredited training from its state-of-the-art facilities in East London. It is here that our students are taught to develop their skills in a safe and controlled environment and are tested vigorously, undergoing both extensive theory and practical examinations to become safe and reliable drivers. In addition, the training programs covers Code 14 truck drivers. C1 is the forerunner in EC K53 driver training. Kempston Cleaning Services. Meanwhile, Kempston Cleaning Services is geared to offer cleaning services in all environments. The 5 essential components of our cleaning functions are productivity, communication, teamwork, customer service, and quality awareness. Kempston Home Loans. Kempston Home Loans have specialized staff who will help you obtain the best possible deal and interest rate on your home loan. Kempston prides itself with its service and assistance in these specialized categories. Kempston Motor Group. As one of the largest motor vehicle holding groups in South Africa, and thanks to our national dealer network representing a variety of automotive brands, we are guaranteed to find the right vehicle to meet our customers' needs. Kempston also offers a large range of quality used vehicles backed by exceptional after-sales service. Kempston Oil Centre. Kempston has become a trusted supplier of bulk fuels, chemicals and respected lubricant brands. Kempston's knowledgeable staff is backed by Engen's Technical Services Division. Kempston Car Rental. We understand what our customers' needs are, and our team is committed to going the extra mile in order to meet those requirements. We offer a comprehensive range of vehicle solutions with our car rental fleet ranging from the entry-level vehicles through to our range of luxury vehicles, all equipped to meet your specific rental needs. We focus on exceptional service, building personalized business relationships and ensuring customer satisfaction. Kempston Charities. Kempston prides itself by organizing ongoing sponsorships and recreational events for the community. We are committed to serving our clients and uplifting the communities we operate in. At Kempston, we wear our heart on our sleeve and are passionate about making a difference giving back. At Kempston, our journey has been fueled by our passion and commitment to provide the best service possible and product to our clients. We understand the importance of making a difference. So if you're looking for a service partner, please feel free to talk to us. You'll be surprised at what we have to offer. Kempston, your logistics and service partner.